Hi everyone, this is Mr. Neil Wrighteter, also known as the Wax Whisperer. Thank you for tuning in to my latest video. I've had quite a few requests of late to see whether I can upload a video with some live suction sounds, so here we go. It's actually a patient that attended just about an hour and a half ago actually. They'd been using a cotton bud in their left ear and impacted some earwax directly onto the eardrum.
It's going to be a bit noisy, as I said.
I can literally hear.
That's great.
So good.
There's still quite a lot in there, so I'm going to turn your head to your ear narrows close to your eardrum. So it's lodged. To your eardrum's flexing as I move this last bit. So if you do feel any discomfort, let me know.
So you could see there that as I was trying to remove this wax from the anterior recess, the eardrum itself was actually vibrating. So this wax was really impacted into the anterior recess, which is a little alcove, the front part of the ear canal near the eardrum.
Just does feel a bit uncomfortable.
It's just releasing, so you'll be fine in a minute. Cotton bud really impacted it. So I've got it off the eardrum. Excellent. I'm just going to mop up here.
Thank you.
Fortunately, you haven't caused any trauma.
So you could actually hear the patient during the procedure when I was retracting and removing the wax off the eardrum that they found it slightly uncomfortable, and you could see that we weren't actually in contact with any part of the eardrum or the ear canal at that stage, and it's just that as that wax was compressed and attached and adhered to the eardrum, upon that release it can be slightly uncomfortable. There was another big plug of wax you just saw there inferiorly, so to the bottom where there's a little trench as well. So the patient, you may have had, she's hearing very well now. Because this wax and dead keratin was really impacted in the anterior recess, I just wanted to remove as much as possible, because my fear is that because it is impacted and compressed, it may not naturally migrate. So I'm just using the fine end gauge again, just in the anterior recess near the top part of the eardrum, the pars flaccida, and you can see we're just gently tugging this dead keratin away from the ear canal wall. The patient actually attended A&E a couple of days ago because the pain that she was experiencing was so severe, especially at night. They've been using olive oil drops already for a few days, hence why you need to use any more. It's just so, I know in America you call it Q-tips, here we call it cotton buds. Wherever you go in the world, wherever you call it, just please do avoid inserting objects into your ears. There's an old saying, it still applies, a granny saying, as they call it, never put anything smaller than your elbow in your ear. It's only going to go one way, so yeah, please do stay away from cotton buds or hairpins or bobby pins. You can cause some serious trauma to the ear canal. Believe it or not, I had a GP that attended, I think it was last Friday. God forbid the GP themselves had used a cotton bud and caused some severe swelling, edema of the ear canal. Fortunately, the GP was able to get another GP to prescribe some Otomize, which contains a bit of dexamethasone, a steroid, and anti-inflammatory, and the GP will be fine. I managed to get in behind the swelling to remove the wax. I will try and upload that video in the next few days. So we're nearing the end of the procedure. I hope you enjoyed the combination of live audio and me narrating over the video.
At least you know for next time not to use cotton bud.
Yeah.
Let's have a look. Just a little bit of skin left.
If you're watching on YouTube, please do feel free to subscribe to the channel. Please do select the bell icon as well so you get notified as and when I upload new videos, and similarly on Facebook, if you're watching for the first time, feel free to follow, like the page, comment on the video. It's a work in progress, guys, this live audio and me narrating over, so I'm sure I'll improve, but I hope you're all having a great evening, and I shall speak to you soon. Thank you, bye.